Space, the final frontier. A place filled with mystery, beauty, and things that make absolutely no sense to the human brain. In today's video, we're exploring 10 mind-blowing space facts that will completely change how you see the universe. So buckle up, get comfortable, and let's blast off. Fact 1. Space is completely silent. In space, no one can hear you scream. Literally, space is a vacuum, which means there's no air, and without air, sound simply doesn't travel. If two astronauts floated side by side without radios, they wouldn't hear a thing, not even a whisper. Imagine yelling at your friend and watching him ignore you, because physics said so. It's a quiet that's impossible to imagine on Earth. Fact 2. There's a planet made of diamonds. Somewhere out there, 40 light-years away, lies 55 Cancri, a planet many scientists believe is made mostly of diamond. Yes, a whole planet. The surface is scorching hot, but deep inside, the intense pressure may turn carbon into diamond. Imagine telling someone you found a diamond the size of Earth. That's a flex no one can beat. Fact 3. Neutron stars spin at mind-breaking speeds. When massive stars explode, they sometimes collapse into neutron stars, dead stellar cores packed with unimaginable density. Here's the insane part: some neutron stars spin hundreds of times per second. The fastest ones, called millisecond pulsars, can reach around 600 rotations per second. If Earth spun that fast, everything not nailed down would be launched into orbit. These stars are basically cosmic fidget spinners on steroids. Fact 4. One day on Venus is longer than an entire year. Venus is the drama queen of the solar system. It rotates so slowly that one full spin takes 243 Earth days. But it orbits the Sun in just 225 days. Meaning, Venus celebrates a new year before it finishes one rotation. Imagine waking up and being told it's New Year's Day, again, even though the Sun hasn't set since last time. Venus really said, time is fake. Fact 5. Space smells like burnt metal and steak. Astronauts returning from spacewalks report a very specific smell on their suits. They describe it as burnt metal, welding fumes, and sometimes burnt steak. This smell comes from atomic oxygen reacting with metal surfaces on the suits. It's basically the universe's version of a cosmic braai. A bit smoky, a bit metallic, and definitely unforgettable. Fact 6. There are more stars than grains of sand on Earth. This one is famous, but it's more mind-shattering than most people realize. Think of every beach on Earth. Every desert, every grain of sand you've ever seen. Now multiply that by a lot. There are far more stars in the universe than grains of sand on our entire planet. The universe is so massive that even our biggest numbers feel tiny. Fact 7. A teaspoon of a neutron star weighs 1 billion tons. If you could scoop up a teaspoon of neutron star material, and you can't because you die instantly, it would weigh around 1 billion tons. That's the weight of a mountain, compressed into the size of a small spoon. The density is so extreme that atoms themselves are crushed together. Neutron stars are like nature's way of saying, here's what extreme looks like. Fact 8. Jupiter has a storm that's been raging for over 300 years. The Great Red Spot on Jupiter is one of the most iconic sights in the solar system. It's a gigantic storm big enough to swallow 3 Earths. This storm has been raging for at least 350 years, possibly even longer. While our storms last days or weeks, Jupiter's storm has lasted centuries. Imagine a hurricane so big and so strong that generations of humans live and die, and it's still going. Fact 9. There's a massive cosmic cold spot no one can explain. One of the strangest mysteries in the universe is a region called the cosmic cold spot. This area of space is much colder than it should be, and scientists have no clear explanation. Some think it might be a huge empty region called a supervoid. Others think something more exotic is going on, perhaps something we don't understand yet. It's one of the universe's greatest unsolved puzzles. Fact 10. The universe is expanding faster and faster. The universe isn't just expanding, it's accelerating. Galaxies are moving away from each other at increasing speeds. This is caused by something we call dark energy, an invisible force that makes up about 68% of the entire universe. We have no idea what it is. It's as if the universe is being pushed outward by a mysterious energy we can't detect or explain. Every second, space itself is stretching. The more we learn about space, the stranger and more incredible it becomes. From diamond planets to cosmic storms centuries old, the universe is full of wonders we're only beginning to understand. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.